Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable .NET Framework 3.5 in Windows 10 and 11. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So first simply need to click in search run, click on open. Here you need to search for optional features, click on OK, and here you need to select that and click on OK again. So it will take a few seconds. So let me show you. Okay, so you simply need to do that and select both of these, click on OK, and here you can see it is search for required files, so it will take few seconds, so you need to wait for that. So now it is applying change. So here you can see that it is completed. Now you simply need to close, and after that you need to restart your computer. So this is the process by which you can enable .NET framework. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.